started in Philadelphia. We came down by train to Wilmington.
Markell Trail. It's the jam. It says it's a low-stress bikeway. Newcastle, Delaware, home of water, greenery, pirate ships, the East Coast Greenway, public parks, animals. I don't know if you can see the squirrel.
From Newcastle, we had to take what's called Delaware State Route 9. It goes by a bunch of oil refineries and some factories and some just like old kind of spaces. And oh god, it sucks. Build a trail on the Delaware. This road sucks. Build a trail on the Delaware. It's not the worst, but it's super exposed. It's super hot when the sun is out. It's very, very easy to get sunburned, and there's no resources, nowhere to stop for water or anything along that way. So it'd be really, really lovely. There's a trail that went from Newcastle and then just followed along the water to here, because this trail goes out and then across Delaware.
I'm in Delaware. That's Maryland. Making a shortcut call, and it worked out real well. It saved us, I don't know, 5 miles. This is a snack break in Newcastle.
Yep. Battery Park.
Battery Park. Snack break so we don't crash really hard on the ride home.
Still gotta go to the train.
Still gotta go to the train. We could just ride back.
No.
We ate our snacks. We're on our way. About to leave Battery Park and head down the lovely, what is it, Jack Markell Trail to Wilmington. And then Travis, very intentionally, goes and gets a flat.
Oh, right lock.
The next train is at 8:37. It's 7:41 now, so we're just gonna hang out in the Wilmington train station. So we'll be on the hunt for Oreos.